Welcome to Testpassport.com. VMware 3V0-752 exam is a related one for VCAP7-DTM design certification. We have cracked the latest VMware 3V0-752 real exam questions. Share some VMware 3V0-752 real exam questions in this video. 1. In a local design, a company selected one database instance to be shared by Horizon View Composer Database, vCenter External Database, and Horizon Volumes Database. The design must provide high availability for all databases. Which two database server options should be selected during physical design creation? Choose 2. A. Oracle 10 grams. B. Microsoft SQL Server 2014. C. Oracle 11 grams. D. Microsoft SQL Server 2012. Answer: BC. 2. A customer is deploying a new Horizon View pool which will support workstations deployed using older third-party Zero clients. The older Zero clients will be used to access a 3D modeling application. Which protocol should the pool use? A. RDP. B. RGS. C. PCOIP. D. Blast Extreme. Answer: D. 3. A customer has made the decision to implement Volumes. The customer has two data centers for high availability. VMware recommends two different deployment modes for Volumes in a multi-site implementation. Which two requirements are common to all of the models? Choose 2. A. Deploy a Microsoft SQL Cluster. B. Deploy a minimum of one Volumes manager in each site. C. Ensure AppStock replication is configured. D. Reproduce entitlements in both locations. Answer: C. D. 4. A company wants to allow sales personnel to use laptops to access the internal VDI. Due to security constraints, VDI desktop pools for travelers will not be granted access to the Internet. Sales personnel, however, will be able to access links from email or other documents from their VDI sessions. What can be implemented to meet these requirements? A. Install View Agent with URL redirection enabled. B. Install View Client, with URL redirection enabled. C. Enable clipboard sharing. D. Enable client drive redirection. Answer: D. 5. The IT team for a regional healthcare company wants to provide several applications to iOS and Android tablets and smartphones as well as Mac and Windows laptops using VMware products. It wants to minimize Windows desktop operating system licensing and support costs. Which meets the requirements? A. Use Horizon-linked clones with writable volumes. B. Use Horizon RDS with application pools. C. Use Horizon RDS with writable volumes. D. Use Horizon Instant Clones with Volumes. Answer: B. 6. A cloud pod architecture has been proposed for a customer with two data centers available in two cities 1,700 miles apart. The data centers are connected using WAN links with sophisticated security requirements and firewall rules. A WAN maintenance vendor has been contacted to add exceptions to meet cloud pod architecture requirements. The number of ports to be opened to enable data center communication should stay at a minimum number. Which two communication ports are required by the WAN maintenance vendor? Choose two. A. 443. B. 22389. C. 389. D. 4001. E. 8472. F. 8009. Answer, A. D. 7. A company wants to reduce updating and provisioning time for problematic legacy applications on virtual desktops. Which two Horizon technologies can meet the requirement? Choose two. A. Identity Manager. B. Airwatch. C. ThinApp. D. AppVolumes. Answer, C. D. 8. A company has asked an architect for assistance in reviewing its design plans for distributing a finance application to its users with multiple RDS hosts using a custom load balancing script. What can the architect recommend for a script with proper load return values to prevent overloading of an RDS host? A. Block connections to this RDS host at a load value of block. B. Allow connections to this RDS host at a load value of 0. C. Allow connections to this RDS host at a load value of allow. D. Block connections to this RDS host at a load value of 0. Answer, A. 9. Which is a design decision when architecting a Workspace ONE on-premise implementation supporting mobile single sign-on for iOS devices? A. Decide what level of trust to use between the Active Directory Kerberos realm and Workspace ONE's Kerberos realm. B. Make sure that the mobile applications that are planned to be managed by Workspace ONE support the Kerberos protocol for single sign-on. C. Decide what namespace will be used by the Workspace ONE portal. This will be used for end-user access to the portal. Decide which domain is to be used as the Kerberos realm. D. Decide the namespace to be used by the Workspace ONE portal. The domain chosen will also be your Kerberos realm. Answer, B. 10. A VDI architect wants to optimize Blast Extreme protocol between 400 Horizon Windows clients and agents on an organization's LAN. No GPO currently makes Horizon settings to these clients or agents. What GPO setting will improve performance of these systems? A. Enoble H264. B. Disable UDP Protocol. C. Enable UDP Protocol. D. Disable H264. Answer, B.